Hello friends, welcome to my creative channel to watch more innovative videos on natural language processing using Python. We have gone through many videos on natural language processing using Python, such as speech to text using command prompt and using streamlit, then speech translation using streamlit, then language translation using streamlit, speech to text and text to speech, and open google.com using speech recognition, then open youtube.com using speech recognition, and many more. Today's video is really creative, innovative and interesting, so please watch till the end. It is about Google search using speech recognition using streamlit. So let us go through the program code. This is all about the program code. Now I will execute the program using streamlit. Yes, fine. So start recording. Yes. Open Python tutorial. Open Java 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 tutorial. Java tutorial has been open and Python tutorial also be open. Now my favorite PHP tutorial. Open PHP tutorial. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. This video is very useful. You can do projects on these videos, such type of videos, creative ideas of speech recognition. I will be back with more and more creative videos on natural language processing, then face recognition, face detection, attendance system, CNN, Keras, TensorFlow, VG Face 22 library, and many more videos. Web development. So, for latest update of Python machine learning, please watch my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.